Good morning, students. So, today we are going to discuss our next topic, that is biasing of PN junction. In the last video, I explained you about the junction through animated video, through p-type, what is p-type semiconductor, what is n-type semiconductor, what is impurity. All these things we have discussed in the earlier videos. Now the further one is the biasing of PN junction. There is nothing difficult in the biasing. What is meant by biasing? Biasing means when we are giving any potential difference or we are giving source of EMF to the p-type and n-type semiconductor, we say biasing is done. Now how it is done? Just see this thing. We are having two type of biasing, forward biasing and the reverse biasing. Main difference between the forward and reverse, just see the firstly I'll explain you about the forward bias. This is forward means what we have taken two type of semiconductor. First is p type and n type. We know in the p type semiconductor there is majority of holes and in the n type semiconductor there is majority of electrons. Now I am giving this potential difference. The main important thing which you have to keep in your mind while doing forward biasing is that on doing this biasing forward, you have to connect this p-type semiconductor with the positive terminal of the battery and n-type semiconductor with the negative terminal of the battery. This is very important thing for doing the forward biasing. Now, when I have connected this p-type semiconductor with positive terminal and n-type semiconductor with the negative terminal, here holes are in the majority, here electrons are in the majority. Now, if I am giving potential difference positive over here and here negative, what it will do? It will start repelling. This terminal will start repelling the holes toward the junction, and this negative terminal of the battery will start repelling the electrons toward the junction, and here in the middle we will get a depletion layer. And as electrons are coming over here, holes are also coming over here, the depletion layer which will be over there will be very thin and it will get shrink. डिप्लीशन लेयर हमारी क्या हो जाएगी? श्रिंक हो जाएगी, क्योंकि ये क्या कर रहे हैं? ये पॉजिटिव टर्मिनल इट इज ऑल्सो रिपेलिंग द होल्स एंड दिस नेगेटिव टर्मिनल रिपेलिंग द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. So our depletion layer will get very shrink. It will get shrink and we will get the less resistance, or resistance will get decrease. Clear this thing? This is all about the forward biasing. Okay. So in the reverse biasing, just see this thing. In the forward biasing, as I told you, resistance decreases, then current is maximum in the forward biasing. Next we are having the reverse biasing. What we have done in the reverse biasing, it is the opposite of forward. P type we have connected with the negative terminal and N type we have connected with the positive terminal. If I have given opposite terminal, then it is very obvious that these holes will start getting attracted towards a negative terminal and electrons will get start attracted towards a positive terminal. अब अगर ये holes इधर आ रहे हैं, electrons उधर जा रहे हैं, तो बीच वाली जो layer हो जाएगी that will be increased, thick depletion layer will have. So इंक्रीज इन डिप्लीशन लेयर विल नॉट. अब डिप्लीशन लेयर इसमें इतनी बड़ी बन जाएगी, यहाँ पे पी टाइप एन टाइप रह जाएगा, यहाँ पे पी टाइप रह जाएगा. अब डिप्लीशन लेयर इतनी बड़ी हो जाएगी दैट इट विल बिहेव लाइक अ इंसुलेटर. इंसुलेटर की वजह से ये इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और ये होल्स एक दूसरे के साथ कंबाइन करने इनको मुश्किल हो जाएगा एंड वी विल गेट द लेस करंट. बट क्या होता है, अगर हम वोल्टेज को बहुत हाई वैल्यू पे अप्लाई कर दें, ऑन अप्लाइंग हाई वोल्टेज, ये जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं वो स्टार्ट करना शुरू कर देते हैं पी टाइप में एंटर करना, और पी टाइप में होल्स शुरू कर देते हैं एंटर करना इन एन टाइप. ऑन अप्लाइंग high voltage, keep this thing in your mind, on applying high voltage, electron will start getting drift towards the p type and holes will start getting drift towards the n side. So they will produce the current, but the voltage on which they will start getting drifted towards each other, that voltage is called the reverse bias breakdown voltage. That voltage is known as the reverse bias breakdown voltage, and in this condition we get avalanche breakdown. The meaning of this breakdown is जब हम पोटेंशियल बहुत हाई अप्लाई कर देते हैं, इलेक्ट्रॉन्स और होल्स कंबाइन होने शुरू हो जाते हैं, लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज़ जनरेटेड। अब हीट ज़्यादा जनरेट होगी, हमारी डिवाइस डैमेज भी हो सकती है। नो डाउट वी विल गेट द करंट, बट इन द रिवर्स साइड and our device will get damaged because we are giving the high value of potential difference in the reverse bias. And the main two things in the forward and reverse is that the main thing is in the forward we have connected the p type with the positive and n type with the negative. Depletion layer is reduced, and in the reverse biasing p type is connected with the negative, n type is connected with the positive. Depletion layer will be increased, resistance will be more, and current will be less, but on applying high voltage they can get drift towards each other portions, and we will get the breakdown, or our device can also get damage. So this is all about the forward and reverse biasing. The further topic we are having the voltage current characteristic, how the voltage and current will change graphically, and that we will discuss in the next video session.